Hey guys, it's me Liam from Border Busters, and this is part 2 on how to make a clicker game in Scratch. Okay, so before we start, I just want to say, please make sure to like and subscribe. Help me get 4,000 watch hours by watching my longer videos. What the 4,000 watch hours is, it's just pretty much the time that everyone's watched my videos, and I've only got 155. Again, just help me out with that. That will help me get monetized on YouTube. That would be awesome, guys. Also, we haven't done a Scratch tutorial in a very long time. So if you just need a refresher, Scratch is a coding website that is free to use. If you don't have an account, ask your parents' help to make it, and it's very fun. In this video, we'll be making the upgrade shop in our clicker game. And I don't know if you guys remember making this clicker game, but it is Boredom Buster Studios' most popular video. That's a regular video. It got 1.1 thousand views just as a regular video on making this simple little clicker game. So, I thought we should just add on to it and make an upgrade shop. Okay, so to do this, I want to first go to the backdrops. This will just make it kind of stand out more. Or not paint. Let's delete backdrop 1. I don't know why that's there. But let's go to your backdrop. And I'm going to get rid of this backpack tab if I can. Yeah, there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rectangle tool and set it to a nice color that I like. Maybe something like nice and blue, like a darker space blue. Something like this maybe. Alright, so I'm just going to select this and just kind of drag out. See, it's kind of overlapping Earth. We don't want that, so let's just make it go down just a little bit more. Okay, so I don't really like the color of this, and I'm just going to kind of change it up a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that done, let's paint another sprite, and let's rename this to click. I can't type right now. Click upgrade button, BTN, which stands for button. Is we want to go to the text, and we are going to press the Windows key and then the period button, and that will open up all these emojis. I'm going to do the click emoji, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of scale it up just a little bit more, and we can just control, and there we go. There's our little click upgrade button. This will give us more clicks. Every time we click, it'll give us more. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Okay, so what we want to do next is we want to go to the code section. We want to go to the variables tab. What a variable is it's just a kind of thing on the computer that just stores stuff. It's not really, it could be empty. In fact, I want to delete the my variable. So as you can see, we already have the score, which changes this up like that. So yeah, what I want to do now is I just want to make a new variable and make sure it's on for all sprites. That's very important. This doesn't make sense, but we're going to do clicks per click. Kind of sounds weird, but make sure it's on for all sprites. You can name it whatever you want, because I wasn't sure what to name it because my theme is kind of Earth, so I just named it clicks per click. So what I want to do next is go back to the click upgrade button and go to the events, and when the sprite is clicked, so when the sprite is clicked, it will trigger some code. And I want to change clicks per click by 1. And as you can see, well, it's still clicking this for some reason, but we want to click this. So what I want to do here is I want to fix a little bug. If mouse down and touching mouse pointer, then we want to do some code, because this doesn't really want to work. We could just duplicate that, because we could click anywhere on the screen and then still get it. There we go. That is a lot better. Now we don't have to click. When we click all over the screen, it works. So yeah, this is a lot better. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. So what I want to do next is actually change this to change score by clicks per click. So that's what you want to do. So change the score by clicks per click. Not gonna do much by now, but or look at this. That's actually very good. So let's do that. Oh, also, when the green flag is clicked, I want to center it in this position and kind of just put it there. So when green flag clicked, go to X wherever you want. I'm gonna make it like right here. Up a little bit more. Right there. Okay, negative 196. And then negative 138. So we were close here. Okay, so let's see if that works. Okay, so it will change the score when we're doing this. But what I want to do next is stop this, go back to this sprite, and I want to start a sound. Let's do the pop sound. I think we were doing the pop sound on here. I'm not sure. Yeah, we're doing the pop sound on here. So I want to go back to here, and I want to maybe, yeah, let's keep let's just do start sound pop. So then it will start the sound pop. So what I want to do next is I want to go back to this earth code, or the that's what it's named, and I want to make a duplicate version of this forever loop. This will just change the sprite's color and code like that. We can delete this one, and now it's in here. So let's see if that works. See, now it works, but it's kind of large. So I want to set the size back to like 100. If mouse down and touching mouse pointer. So let's make it like 100. Like 100% right, or no, 110% maybe right there, and then back down to 100. That works very good. Okay, super cool. So now that we're done with that, let's move on to the next step. Okay, so what I want to do next is I want to go into the backdrop and do some code. So when the green flag is clicked, we're not going to put this anywhere else. Let's just do variables, set score to 0, and then we'll set the clicks per click. I know that doesn't make sense, but we'll set that to 1, and we'll go back to here. Then we don't have to set the score here, so it'll just by automatic set the score. Yep. See, it changes clicks per click to 1. All right, let's go on to the next step. So what I want to do next is make a new variable, and we're going to make it for all sprites, and we're just going to name it click upgrade cost. Oops. All right. So what I want to do now is go into the backdrop. So just set click upgrade cost to whatever you want. I'm going to set mine to like 50. And what I want to go back to here, we're going to have to change some code. So let's take this out so we could plug this in with the when green flag clicked. So when the sprite is clicked, we're going to do an if statement. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go here and we're going to do if a greater than statement, and we're going to do score and click upgrade cost. Then we'll change clicks per click by 1, and then we can just put the start sound pop right here. And yeah, let's just try to get our clicks more than the click upgrade cost. So I've got 50 now. Now it changes clicks per click by 2. But that doesn't really do anything. Not yet, at least. Okay, so what I want to do is just put the click upgrades cost in this little operator -1. So then what I want to do now is I want to duplicate this. Not really. And we want to take this out. Change the score by click upgrade clicks per click. That's what I meant. Don't put this in here. Put this up here. That's completely my fault. I'm so sorry about that, guys. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get this set click upgrade cost, and we're going to do multiplied by -1. And we'll just get the click upgrade cost variable right here. So we want to change this to -1 Sorry about that, guys. And change that to -1, and let's see how that works. Okay, so there we go. Now that we have this, it's actually kind of working. But now we're not getting the clicks yet, and we'll do that in just a little bit. Okay, so I want to change this to a 2 then. So what I want to do to kind of make this so you could show how much it costs is I want to make another forever loop right here. We could put that, oh, what happened there? We could just do another when green flag clicked right here. When green flag clicked forever, if touching mouse pointer, then we'll get a say block, then we'll join. This makes you get more clicks per click. And then we'll do cost, and then we can do a space, and we will go to click upgrade cost. So yeah, see, so now it shows it. Okay, so we're not gonna make it say it forever, so we're just gonna take this out and just make it say that for 0.2 seconds. All right, there we go. That's super cool. So now we can hide these variables finally. They're kind of getting in my way. So what I want to do is I'm going to just keep tapping on this. And hopefully 50. We still kind of get the regular income. So what I want to do is the click upgrade cost. So now it's 100. But it doesn't really multiply the clicks yet, so we'll do that right now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go down to here in the Earth sprite. We're going to change score by clicks per click. Finally, now we got this down. So let's get up to 50 clicks. And we'll buy that. And there we go. Now it's multiplying that, and it's awesome. So let's see how much it costs now. It costs 100. And now it's 200. Now it's giving us more score. That is super cool, guys. And that will be it for this tutorial because we had to do a lot of troubleshooting. But that's just part of coding. You just have to troubleshoot and figure it out. In the next video, we will be making another upgrade. So please make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this channel with your friends and family. And I will be putting the links to this game in the description below. Don't forget to save your project. And if you want to, you can share it. But make sure to ask your parents first. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.